what we're going to do is come into the Saleslights tool, and we're going to start by entering our details. So search, we put 5 years in business and that you guys are an executive staffing firm. So we're going to show an example where we sell staffing and then as well as recruiting to get your talent that you're going to be using. So here's all of your details, everything that relates to your company, all of the features. You can scroll down and see, and there's no limit on how much you can enter, but we definitely recommend keeping it less than half a page or to a page. Here's your message formatting style. This is where you can really get custom. Conversational is cool, but prescriptive seems to be my style, or technical. Really depends on how you want your voice to be and get better over time. There's exclusive phrases that we think that you should not include, and anything from 150 to 250 is good. 250 is quite descriptive and creative on your offering. There's also a really great feature with Saleslights, where you're able to filter by content on your LinkedIn leads posts, comments, and reactions, and get right down to business for a great message. So we'll apply the keyword building here as an example. So selling executive staffing solution. She's an AI founder here in New York, quite popular. So she's having traction, and I'm sure that as that great team grows, they'll need some executive presence. So here I'm pulling all of Angela's posts. That was comments back there. And you can filter by keywords. And then here you have all of the reactions. You can scroll through and get really granular. So the sales message is generated off of the comment to another LinkedIn leads post. So it has all the contextual analysis of all those leads in the chain. It's a reaction to a reply, or just simply a post. So it takes all of the context of the people involved for an excellent sales message that's extremely customized. And here there looks like there's some things here about AI deepfake detection and fraud in the music industry. So looks like Angela is building something super cool, and having executive presence in this space and having a leader in something so high tech could be super valuable. So we went ahead and pressed generate sales message, and then head over to our sales sequences. Takes about 45 seconds for the message to generate, and we had already pressed this for you guys. So as you can see, this is a response to that great post about threat detection and fraud. And here is the message that was generated completely by AI. You can see that it detects what Angela had said. It talks about a congratulatory aspect for the work that she's doing, and it does sales message mapping with all 3 bullet points that really use all of the keywords that were not only in the original post, but her response. So it has deep context and a chain of thought for a really elite message. All right, now I'm going to show an example where I'm actually recruiting an executive for the role. So here in the profile details, what we'll do is change our industry to an executive recruiter instead of executive staffer. Same company details. And then the product name that we're going to be putting is a full-time executive role at a generative AI startup that's protecting music artists and fueling innovation in the music industry. The product description is work from home, ground-up company pioneering in the protection of artists, digital content at scale, and detection of musical theft across the internet. The job role includes excellent benefits, work from anywhere, 6 weeks vacation, and equity options in the startup. Again, you're selling a role to this candidate. Same message formatting, content filters, whatever have you. So let's dive right in. Now let's just type in CTO. And let's see what comes up here. See all results. And let's just click on Saga here. All right, so let's find a post as an example. And this is already great. I mean, this post, he's talking about engineers working on their CVs, troubleshooting and where they should be focused, and how they need to be agnostic and really adaptive and to their career and the roadmap. So awesome thing to engage on, but it would take some time to write an email to that. So here it is, same exact thing in Saleslights. Press generate sales message, and then go back to our sales sequences. And as you can see here, here's what they had posted. and a great sales response selling him this executive role for whoever your client would be. So take a look at that. Again, all generated by AI. And then right here, we have the ability to send email, but we will eventually, very soon, within your subscription, have email sequencing, automated drip campaigns, like Outreach, like Yesware, like Apollo, and all those other ones that you've seen. So thanks so much. It's been great doing this demo for you. We look forward to seeing you guys on board to Saleslights.